Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're showcasing what could very well be the best trunk or treat decorations kit on the market. If you're looking to take your Halloween celebrations to the next level, you're in the right place. This kit is packed with everything you need to turn your vehicle into a spooky, fun, and unforgettable sight. Whether you're participating in a trunk or treat event or just want to spread some Halloween cheer, this kit has got you covered. The JOYIN Halloween Trunk or Treat Car Decorations Kit is a one-stop solution for all your spooky decoration needs. It's designed to give your vehicle a festive Halloween makeover with ease. What's great about this kit is that it includes everything you need to decorate your car in one complete package. You get a Happy Halloween banner, which is a perfect way to greet trick-or-treaters. The banners come in vibrant colors of orange, purple, and black, making them instantly eye-catching. But it doesn't stop there. The kit also features 6 paper fans, each in different sizes and colors. These fans are easy to assemble and add depth to your decorations, making your setup look even more impressive. The tassel banner that's included is another highlight, measuring at 59 inches. It adds a touch of fun movement as it flutters in the wind, giving your decorations an extra bit of life. For those looking to go all out, the kit also comes with some adorable 3D decorations, including a PVC pumpkin, a ghost, and bats. These items are perfect for adding some creepiness to your setup without going overboard. Plus, they're made from high-quality PVC, ensuring durability even in unpredictable weather conditions. The kit also includes an array of balloons, 4 each in orange, purple, and green. These balloons are great for tying the whole theme together. And, to complete the look, you also get 3 sheets of double-sided stickers. These stickers are designed to be easily applied and removed, leaving no residue behind, so your vehicle remains damage-free. What sets this kit apart is the thoughtfulness behind the design. Every item is crafted from premium, waterproof, and reusable materials, ensuring that your decorations last through the season and can be stored for next year. Plus, the included removable adhesive tape means that setting up your decorations is a breeze. You won't have to worry about damaging your car, and it's perfect for people who want a quick setup without the hassle. Not only is this kit ideal for decorating your car, but it also works great for garage door decorations, house front decor, patios, and even indoor parties. It's an all-around versatile set that can help you spread Halloween fun wherever you go. Whether it's for a Halloween party or a trunk or treat event, this kit is sure to make your decorations stand out from the crowd. If you're planning to make your car or home a spooky Halloween spectacle this year, the JOYIN Halloween Trunk or Treat Decorations Kit is the way to go. It combines quality, convenience, and fun into one amazing package, making it the best option for anyone looking to celebrate Halloween in style. So, be sure to check out the link in the description and grab yours before they run out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.